Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Jamaica's business process outsourcing BPO sector up to April exceeded some pre-pandemic benchmarks. Now the sector is aiming to provide 50,000 jobs and $1 billion in revenue. However, insufficient housing for workers could impact that growth. Javon Keys reports.
In 2019, Jamaica's global services industry, which includes BPOs, earned $780 million in revenue. The first full year with COVID-19 saw those earnings declining by $80 million. However, the sector has already rebounded. As at March this year, the sector's labor force has exceeded 43,000 employees.
Our projections is that we're going to continue to grow strong in the next 12 to 18 months. We could be 55,000 based on the opportunities out there.
At the recent Outsource to Jamaica conference, President of the Global Services Association of Jamaica, GSAJ, Gloria Henry, says earnings are also rebounding with the aim of reaching $1 billion per year.
Majority of our members are seeing new projects or have new projects in the pipeline, and some of those who reported new projects have over $70 million worth of projects lined up that will be coming into Jamaica.
But there is a challenge for the sector. Despite the growth strategy, lack of adequate housing for employees could impact its expansion.
Where are all of these employees going to live? In the Barnet Tech Park, we already have pre-COVID over 10,000 people working in there, and we're only 30% built out. So, we've got space in the Barnet Tech Park to employ well over 30,000 people. But the real question is, where are they going to live? And I think, that is one of the biggest challenges that we have as a country, and one that hopefully will be somewhat alleviated by the opening up of Montego Bay by the Mobe bypass.
Managing Director of Barnet Limited, operators of the Barnet Technology Park, Mark Carr Jarrett, says JAMPRO and the private sector organization of Jamaica are working on a program to alleviate the issue. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Sagicor Investments has been granted approval to operate in the Cayman Islands. The company's CEO, Tara Nunez, made the revelation at a recent Sagicor Money Talks event.
We have received our license from the Cayman Monetary Authorities. We have that in hand, and so now we're moving full steam ahead to set up our operations, which we expect to do before the end of the year.
Now in 2019, Sagicor indicated it would invest $2.6 billion to build out its investment services in the Cayman Islands. In currency trading, the US dollar sold for $151.42. The Canadian dollar sold for $123.50. The pound is going for $212.30, while the euro closed at $182.37. In stocks trading today, the JC Index gained 6,192 points, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 15 points. Among the winners were Cayley Group, Express Catering, 1834 Investments, Sagicor Group, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities. On the losing side, Community and Workers of Jamaica Deferred Shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Sivani Group, and Access Financial Services. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.